So what do scooters, door hangers, and postcards all have in common? Believe it or not, there's actually some changes coming to the way that we do marketing. I've done every door direct mail for a long time and I love it, but these postcards are about to get a little more pricey to actually mail out. They're adding about a 5% increase because of inflation, and it's going to be between 24 and 25 cents per flyer coming up in July. But the incremental price increase is going to keep happening. It happens every couple of years, but this is the most significant bump in price that they've raised since I can remember. And so with that said, we are going to dig in more to door hangers than ever before. And that's not to say the door hangers are any better by any means. As a matter of fact, I found a similar response to both of them. But the thing is, we were recommended by some of you viewers, if I can find who it was, I'll thank you again in person. But using electric scooters has actually made it so that we can put out door hangers much faster. And we found that leaving them in our pouch, stacked nice and neatly, we're able to carry a bundle of about 400 or 500 postcards pretty easily and disperse them door to door. Now, it used to be that we could put out about 100 flyers or so, give or take, usually a little bit less actually, in an hour. But now that we've got the scooter, that price or that number has actually almost doubled. So if using one of these scooters, we can actually put out double the quantity. That's close to 200 flyers in 1 hour. If you're paying one person $25 an hour, you're getting a lot better ROI than actually dropping them off at the post office. Now, the post office is still easy to track where you're putting them and is easy to, do a bunch all at once. But if you can find somebody in your neighborhood or a kid near you who's able to hang out flyers for you, you'll make a lot more money over the long term for a little bit cheaper just by doing the door hangers. I typically like to do the door hangers anyways when I'm going to be doing window cleaning or a pressure washing job. I like to hit all the neighbors. It's called a 5-around. It makes it so that you're being really consistent in the neighborhood. Everybody sees you multiple times. The more times they see you, the more likely they will be to use you. It builds familiarity and trust. So that way, they know if you did a good job for your neighbors, then they'll do good. Then you'll do a good job for them as well. So with that said, now dispersing door hangers is about half the cost effectively as direct mail postcards. And then when we get to the summertime, when things slow down usually, or in the dead of winter, we can still be passing out door hangers. And I feel like I'm actually doing well with my employees. If I pay them $25 an hour normally for production, I can pay them $25 an hour and I will get about the equivalent of if I was doing twice as many every door direct mail through the post office. So it's a win-win. So I highly implore everybody to get one of these really cool electric scooters. They're also fun to have. My kids use it all the time now. And it's a good toy, business expense. I'll put an Amazon link in the description so you can buy the same one. And by the way, anybody who's curious, I was able to get this scooter on sale for about $30. I was able to get this scooter for about $300 while it was on sale for Father's Day. It is the High Boy, and it actually works really well. It gets about 20 to 25 miles of range, and it can go about 20 miles per hour, a little bit more. So this guy is a workhorse. We've been using it consistently now for the past week and a half, and it's a lot of fun, guys. Yeah, it used to be a struggle for me to get anybody to want to put out door hangers for me, and now they're begging me to let them. So now it's just a matter of selecting who I'm going to let have fun riding an electric scooter while they pass out flyers for me.